Have you ever been frustrated by a list that keeps changing when you're trying to focus? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to lock the scroll position in a FlatList and ScrollView in React Native. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when new items pop up and disrupt your view, especially when you're trying to keep track of something important. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I create a flat list that keeps the current scroll position locked when new items are inserted at the top? This is a common challenge, and we're going to explore it together. So what's happening here? When new items are added to the top of the list, the scroll position shifts, making it hard to keep track of what you were looking at. This is due to how FlatList and ScrollView handle updates. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you implement this feature smoothly. To keep the scroll position locked when new items are added, the user should first capture the current scroll position before the new items are inserted. This can be done using the onScroll event of the FlatList. Next, the user should update the state with the new items. However, they need to adjust the scroll position back to the previously captured offset after the state update. Additionally, the user should ensure that the FlatList is set to not automatically scroll when new items are added. This can be achieved by using the initial scroll index prop. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that the scroll position remains locked as expected when new items are added to the top of the list. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple calculators? Look how far we've come with complex lists and dynamic content. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the component didUpdate method. This approach checks if the data has changed, and if so, it calls scroll to end to maintain the scroll position. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One alternative solution is to use the key extractor property in FlatList. This helps React avoid unnecessary re-renders by assigning unique keys to each item in the list. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to manage your scroll position when dealing with dynamic lists. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to keep your scroll position locked in your FlatList. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more React Native tricks.